What you're about to see is a remarkable difference. This cabinet is really dirty. It has lots of dirt and grime, so if you use some Murphy's oil soap and you spray it on, especially want to get the Murphy's oil soap into the cracks. And then like a scrub daddy, it works really good to get those big, large areas, and you can quickly scrub the big surfaces. And then after that, you can take a toothbrush, and the toothbrush seems nice because it has all these little bristles, which really seem to go well to get into the little cracks and crevices of the cabinet doors when you're trying to clean them. This was a rental and it needed quite a bit of work. The people had been, the person had been living there since, I think it was like 2018. So the cabinet was pretty dirty. And after the toothbrush, they want to take like a dry microfiber rag and try to dry up in the cracks and to soak all that up. And you're about to see the difference. It turned out so good. And also you may want to kind of dry the rest of the cabinet. So this cabinet really turned out amazing. And it was one of who knows how many cabinets in the kitchen. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.